Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before we continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says square root of x into square root of x into square root of x equals to 2. We should look for the value of x. So we have this square root is inside the square root and this one is inside the square root. So we are just find the value of x from this equation. So we are given this is square root of x and another square root inside this square root of x. Then the other square root is inside the square root of x equals to 2. So what we are going to do is to do everything to do away with the square root. How do we do that? We introduce square to both sides. So we say introduce square to both sides. So here will become square root of x into square root of x into square root of x. We introduce square equals to 2 raised to the power of 2. So here 2 will cancel here 1 and 2 will cancel here. So here will become x times square root of x into another square root of x equals to here 2 times 2 here will give us 4. So in this case, for us to play the next one, we need to introduce another square. So introducing square to both sides again for us to clear the square root. So we have x times square root of x into square root of x equals to 4. So this will square this and this will square this. So this will become, this 2 will be multiplied to this one. We have x squared and this 2 will cancel this square root. So we have x. Because it will cancel, it will now left with x. So we have x. Then we still have another square root of x equals to this 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. So this is what we have now. So we have x squared here times x is same thing as x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times square root of x equals to 16. So in this case, for us to clear this square root here, we need to introduce another square to both sides, which is this will become x raised to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 3, times square root of x all squared equals to 16 raised to the power of 2. We are squaring both sides. So now, as we said before, these 2 will affect this 3. So it now becomes 3x raised to the power of 3 all squared times square root of x squared equals to 16 squared, which is 16 times 16. So for us to expand this will become 3 times 2 is x raised to the power of 6 times this 2 will cancel this square root. We have x. This will become this. We can change it to base 2, which is 2 raised to the power of 4 times 2 raised to the power of 4. So in that case, this will become x raised to the power of 6 plus 1, because this is 1, equals to 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 8. Okay, sorry, plus 4. So here we can move over to this other side. So we evaluate this. That will become x raised to the power of 7 equals to 2 raised to the power of 8. So we have x raised to the power of 7 and 2 raised to the power of 8. Why we did not multiply 16 by 16 out here? Because we don't want it to give us a bigger figure. We want it to place it in a base 2, which is a lower base for us to find the value of x. So in this case, for us to find the value of x here, we can multiply. We look for a value that will multiply here, and here will become 1, and here will become what we are looking for. So that one will be x raised to the power of 7 times 1 all over 8. No, times 1 all over 7, because 7 will cancel here to become 1. Times 1 all over 7 equals to 2 raised to the power of 8 all times 1 all over 7. Because what we do on the right hand side is what we will do on the left hand side. So this 7 will cancel here 1, 7 will cancel here 1. We now left with x raised to the power of 1 equals to 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7, because 8 times 1 is 8 all over 7. So this will become x equals to 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. So this is the value of our x, which is 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. And it satisfies this equation from this question. We need to prove that the value of x equals to 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. How do we do that? We have here solution. We are given this equation, which is square root of x into square root of x into square root of x equals to 2. And we solve the answer to get x as 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. So we say x equals to 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. What we are going to do is to substitute x equals to 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 into the equation. So here will become square root of 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7, square root of 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7, another square root of 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 equals to 2. So we've gotten this. So what we are going to do is to clear this square root. How do we do that? When we have, you say note, when we have a, square root of a is the same thing as a raised to the power of 1 all over 2. So we are going to substitute this expression to what we have here. So this will become 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 times 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. Okay, we introduce a parenthesis here. Then we introduce another parenthesis here. 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. So this is 1 all over 2. That is for the first one. Then the second parenthesis, we have 1 all over 2. Then for this one, we have 1 all over 2. So this is what we have. So we are going to expand this out. So having this, what we are going to do next is to multiply from the inside to the outside. That is this first one. We are taking this first one first. So now that will become 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. We are bringing this one down into 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7. Then here will become 2. We multiply at 7 times 2 is 14. Become 8 all over 14. Then we have 1 over 2. We bring this one down. Then we have 1 all over 2. So what we have now is the bracket has reduced from 3 to 2. So this is the same thing as 2, because we have here, we still have here that within the power of 1 all over 2. So we need to evaluate this. So that will become 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 into, here will become 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 plus 8 all over 14 all to the power of 1 all over 2 into all of 1 all over 2. So we need to evaluate the inner parenthesis. So that will become 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 into 2, because we take the LCM of this 7 and 14, which is 14, and here is 16 plus 8 raised to the power of 2. We bring these two down, raised to the power of 2. So this will become 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 into 2 raised to the power of, this is 16 plus 8, which is 24 all over 14, all raised to the power of 2. We bring 1 all over 2. We bring this one down. So here, 2 will cancel here 7, and 2 will cancel here 12. So we need to move over to this other side. So we have that as, so we are going to bring this one. So we have 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 into 2. So here will be 12 all over 7. 12 all over 7. Then we bring down 1 all over 2. Then we still have 1 all over 2. So this is what we have now, our new solution. So now we need to work with this. So we have this to evaluate. So as we said, evaluating this bracket that we circle, we bring down this one. We have 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 into, so we have 12 times 1. So this is multiplication. 12 times 1 is 12. So we have 2 raised to the power of 12 all over 7 times 2, which have 14. Then we bring down 1 all over 2. So in this case, 2 will cancel here 6, and 2 will cancel here 7. So we are now left with 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 into 2 raised to the power of 6 all over 7 then we bring down 1 all over 2. So we see how here our value, this other side is 2. That's the right hand side is 2. Now we need to multiply this by this. Okay, we still have this. So the inside the parentheses we have here. For us to evaluate this will become 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 times 2 raised to the power of 6 all over 7 all raised to the power of 2. So in this case, this will become 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7 plus 6 all over 7. Because two of them have the same LCM, we bring down 1 all over 2. So here we can evaluate this. So this one we take LCM of 7, 8 plus 6. This is 14 all over 7. So we have that. Let's move over to this other side. So what we just did now is for us to evaluate this power. So having that, this will become 2 raised to the power of, we have 8 plus 6, which is 14 all over 7. Then we bring down 1 raised to the power of 1 all over 2. We still have equals to 2. So in this case, what we have now is 2 raised to the power of 14 all over 7 times 1 all over 2. This is equals to 2. We can multiply it out. We have 2 raised to the power of 14 all over 14 equals to 2. And here, 14 will cancel here 1. 14 will cancel here 1. So we have 2 equals to 2. Therefore, we have been able to prove that the left hand side equals to 2 and the right hand side equals to 2. And the answer of our question, which is x, equals to 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 7, satisfy this question as we were solved from the former question that we were given. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.